Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to find your player ID in Real Racing 3. Your player ID is important if you want to connect with friends, get support from EA, or participate in special events. So let's go ahead and find that player ID in Real Racing 3. Launch open Real Racing 3 app on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in. And once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. In the expanded pop-up, click the eye icon, and then here in this Help and About page, you'll find your player ID on the top right. Your player ID is a unique, long string of numbers and letters. You will see two different player IDs at the top right, which is your player ID and your game profile ID. You can write down these player ID whenever needed. Especially you might need your player ID whenever you're trying to contact support or share your player ID with your friends. Write your player ID down manually or take a screenshot of it and keep it safely. That's how you know how you can find your player ID in Real Racing 3. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.